Thinking about building a pond this summer? The biggest question I get asked every year is how much does it actually cost? So if you're sat at home thinking that you should actually do this, this is the video for you. In this video, we've got 4 levels of investment. How much does a pond really cost in the UK? This video is a guide for 2026. So we've got 4 levels of investment. This is level 1, DIY budget from £300 to £1,000. So with that level of investment, you can have a little filtration. On a pond this sort of size, with a little filtration, you can have a waterfall filter, you can have a submersible pump, which is wildlife safe, or if you go onto this pond, if you want a slightly larger pond, you can go with the basic liner and build a still water wildlife pond. So if you wanted a pre-formed pond, you can go for something like this, which is essentially for your patio. So with this size patio pond, you can have all plants or a couple of little goldfish. So now what we're doing is we're stepping up to a small ecosystem pond, and what you've got is more money and more budget for filtration. So what we've got here is we've got a small ecosystem pond, and this waterfall is this product. It's a small waterfall filter, and as you can see, it aerates the water back into the pond. Another option with this budget is a large filter urn or a professional 1000 waterfall filter. So this starter pond is ideal for wildlife or pond fish. Now we move on to level 3. So now we're moving up to level 3. That's 3 to 10,000. Now you've got enough money for an ecosystem pond kit with a proper depth, proper filtration, and the good movement. Now we're starting to build something that actually works with Mother Nature rather than against it. Now we're on to level 4. You've got a natural look, a professional finish, and this is really low maintenance when done correctly. Most people don't need the cheapest option, and they don't need the biggest. They just need the right setup from day one. We've made this really simple with pond kits and pond prescriptions. All these products are available on the website, waterfeature.shop. My name's Mark, the Pond Advisor. Get it right the first time. I'm here to support you, dream, plan and enjoy, restore and create ponds and water features. Until next time, see you in another video.